Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the raw material, titanium ore. Head into hard mode caverns with a high-power pickaxe and mine veins until you have enough. You need 4 ore per bar. Once done, return to your base and group the ore. Inventory management speeds crafting. Make sure you have either an adamantite forge or a titanium forge available. A regular furnace will not work for titanium bars. Keep extra ore stacked, because you'll be smelting multiple bars in sequence. Now set up the correct crafting station. Place your adamantite or titanium forge in an accessible spot. Proximity matters because you must be near the station to craft. Once you're standing next to it, open your inventory and the titanium bar recipe should be visible if you have at least 4 ore. Smelt in manageable batches so you don't clog inventory. Crafting 20 bars at a time reduces repeats. If you want speed, use a portable furnace to avoid back and forth trips. Complete the process by crafting titanium bars. Each bar consumes 4 titanium ore. Move finished bars into storage labeled for hard mode materials so you don't accidentally sell or use them. Use them immediately for hard mode gear or save them for future crafting. Plan by checking required bars for each item. If the recipe doesn't appear, make sure you actually mined titanium rather than adamantite and that you're standing at an adamantite or titanium forge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.